Wave riders in the building. LBC live tonight. We ain't chasing nothing. We hunting trees. We hunting trees. I gotta stay fly while I'm hunting trees. Eyes on the chart, trying to catch these waves. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunting trees. Hunting trees. I'm laid back, locked in. Hunting trees. Hunting trees. Hunting trees. No FOMO in me. I'm hunting trees. Cup full of coffee, chart on the screen. Candle moving slow, but the setup look clean. BTC bouncing, house looking paid. Everybody rushing, but I'm hunting trades. I need confirmation, I need my zone. If it ain't my setup, then I leave it alone. Liquidity sitting right under that low. Market makers fishing, but I already know I don't need 10 wins. I just need one. Clean little entry, then I'm done. Stop loss tight, target up high. Wave riders know we gotta stay. I gotta stay fly while I'm hunting trees. Eyes on the chart, trying to catch these waves. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunting trees, hunting trees. I'm laid back, locked in. Hunting trees, hunting trees, hunting trees. No FOMO in me, I'm hunting trees. London got moving, New York got heat. Chart looking tasteful, but I still don't eat. To the candle close, to the level, hold to the wrist, makes sense, and the story get told. VWAP clean, structure in line. If the move already left, then it wasn't mine. I don't marry bags, I don't beg for saves. I just hit my plan when I'm hunting trades. Green on the screen, but I'm cool in the chair. Probably looking good, got my hands in the air. LBC live, everybody tuned in. One good setup, now the night begins. Don't chase it, let it come. Don't force it, let it come. One setup, one shot. Stay fly, stay alive, stay fly while I'm hunting trades. Eyes on the chart, trying to catch these waves. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunting trades, hunting trades. I'm laid back, locked in. Hunting trades, hunting trades, hunting trades. Wave riders with me, we hunting trades.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. Hope you are doing well this evening. Good evening, good evening. Welcome one, welcome all. It is Tuesday, June 16th, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where are all the cool kids at? Where are you guys at? How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing just well. I put on the LBC. What's going on? All set? Wick's wife, Duality C. Thank you all for joining me this evening. Yeah, let's have a good time. Let's have a good time. We're gonna hunt trades. I'm hunting trades. Currently in one. Min along. I wanna take out this high. I don't know if it's gonna get there, but we'll see. It might be an overnight trade. Who knows? Let's see. Hold on. Where am I at? Right there. Yeah, so just so you know, I'm in it for Rizzo. So yeah, there you go. Short-term scalperoni. Tomorrow we got FOMC. First one with the new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh. Warsh, you know how your American grandparents say wash. Gonna go wash me clothes. Cent 6.7 for 67 joules. Yay, let's do the challenge. I don't know. It's something that I saw today. Some kind of challenge. 6-7 challenge. What's going on? All set? How you doing, bro? Wait, what just happened? Wait, why did you go? Oh, it says I sent the 67 joules. You know, I don't know that I get paid for that. I think I do, but I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure. Um, but if I do, either way, thank you for sending me 67 joules. I greatly appreciate it, all set. I'm very low. I don't even know that I'm going to meet my you have to bring in at least $100 in a month in order for YouTube to do the payout, for those that don't know. And so, therefore, I'm very short of that. It's been one of those months, and that's okay. We're okay. I appreciate every single dollar that comes my way, and I'm not going to beg for them. And I greatly appreciate every single one that I do receive. It is it is nice. It is nice. But I feel like the hustle is greatly appreciated regardless. So I'm thinking I think I think we have one of two options here for Bitcoin tomorrow. I think potentially we can get a breakout and get a continuation higher, which would be fantastic. Or this thing will nuke. One of the two. I think it does one of those two. And I lean more towards, drum roll please, down then up. I lean more towards continuation to the upside. But this value area level, this point of control, is our current nuisance. Sent a gift. That's cool. Melissa, one love, sent floating heart for 10 joules. Sent 6-7 for 67 joules. These things are weird. I don't even know what they are, but I appreciate that, Melissa. Because I'm pretty sure, like, do you have to buy those things to send them? I don't know. YouTube gave this update to us, and I read it, and I've already forgotten the whole thing. I think maybe they're doing a test run right now. I don't know. What I do know is that I'm tired of not being able to use my emojis when I'm on the mobile. What's going on? Melissa, one love. LBCOG, how you doing? Thank you for being here. I got to get, for the people that are here almost every single night, I've got to create some emojis for you guys. I got to create something for all set. I don't know what, but maybe a quarterback, because my little down all set hut joke. Yeah. I don't know. Figure something out. So we got some equal lows down here, and that's why I think that ultimately we will take these lows. And because it would be nice to get like a little fake out before you get the breakout. Nice fake out, then breakout. And that's pretty much what we need. Right now, this is looking a little sketch from a impulse standpoint. Now that this has been kind of dragging butt. But if it can get a continuation here and get up to that 50% retracement, I think we're still looking solid for bullish continuation. But yeah, so since I'm already in a trade on Bitcoin, let's hunt some other trades. This one was just a scalp to this high, so we'll see what happens. Breakout, 15-minute close above the downtrending slope, and yeah, getting the back test now. So let's see if it can get a bounce off of that. Same, no emojis. Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. It's almost 2 weeks now. All right, Zcash. That doesn't look that great. Good evening. I didn't realize that was mobile only. Yep. Yeah, because I can do the emojis on desktop, but not on mobile. And Piper said, I think it's like, for some reason, it's only iOS too. So you let me know if you have an iPhone or an Android. But yeah, Zcash. What we doing? What we doing, Zcash? We trying to go again, bro? Round 3? Yeah, I don't know. So we lose this low. Watch for back tests and then continuation down. Zcash. Of course, this would be short term. Feel like if Bitcoin does get to push down, but then pumps to the upside, that the altcoin market will just follow it. It's missing on my iPhone too, yeah. So I don't get it, bro. I don't know what's going on. What's going on, JR? J Rizzle, the Rizzler. Shout out to Mr. JR Prince. Make sure you guys are subbed to my friend, my ninja. And yeah. What should we call this pattern? The froggy? The evil frog? The ribbit. Ribbit. How do you draw a frog? You got the web feet. Pretty close. Frog legs. Never had them, but I heard they're great. So Zcash, nothing at the moment. Let's find something with some volume. Is there anything with some volume right now? What do I need to go to? CoinGlass? That frog better jump. You practice that. It's good. Too good. I wish. No, I've always been a doodler. So I'll be in a work meeting and I'll be doodling on my notepad. I think it has something to do with ADHD or something. I don't know. Ooh, wait, did I do stock heat map? Whoops. Heat map, stocks. Where's your other heat maps? Can we do something else? All layouts, thank you. I need all the layouts. Oh, those. Community indicators, screener, stocks, news flow, portfolios, fundamental graphs. That's new, apparently, allegedly. Help and resources, individual tools. Here we go. Oh, I gotta favorite it. There we go. There we go. Now it's on here. I have ADD and OCD. It sucks. I think I have a touch of the OCD. But it's like weird. It's like certain things have to be in a certain order, but there's no like rhyme or reason. Does that make sense? Like for a lot of people, they're like neat freaks, like clean freaks when it comes to OCD. But I'm like, mine's more like, uh, all the stuff is scattered on my desk. But like if you move one thing, it freaks me out. I got stuff all over the place. But it's like, got a reason to be there. Gator don't play no ish. Volume change 24 hour. No, volume change 1 hour %. Open interest in USD. Liquidations in USD. Volatility on the daily. You need something with some vol. What about let's see, hype is up 3%. Just on the day. I guess I gotta go to like CoinGlass or something. Wow, low turnout tonight. I swear, someone's been going live during my streams that's taken my usual people. Which is fine. That means I got work to do. Volume 24 hour. I didn't want that to do that. So many different forms of OCD. It's not always orderly. I can be any compulsive disorder or intrusive thoughts. There you go. Compulsive. Not impulsive. So open interest on the 1 hour. That's what I want. Minus 12%. Luna Classic. Are you friggin' serious? Huh. What is Luna Classic doing these days? It's on Binance. I want to know why any exchange would even list this. I get like perps, but like spot, I don't know, man. I mean, is it like a fork or something? My views were low tonight too. Oh, well, I'll run a love advice live at 10:05 p.m. People spending time outside. Oh, yeah, that's true. I have my own unique personality, and I ain't letting the gov or a psych put me in a box. I'm a perfect mix of everything. Amazing. I'm 100% unique. We all are, man. We all are. You know, talk to a person that you would consider a normie and get to know them, and you might be surprised what you find out. That's a breakout on Lunk, you guys. Breakout on Lunk, target 0.0018534. Do we have confluence? Yes, we can take out this high. First bit. It's not overheated. It's actually looking pretty good. Do have a bull div, it looks like. From low to here, that's going to give us a Hidden bullish divergence. Got to be careful though. Lots of stuff going on tomorrow. But the money flow is good above the zero line. But I say it's good, but it's kind of chilling above the zero, just barely above the zero line. True 7 is above the zero line. That's good. And momentum is pushing, breaking the zero line right now. And our power bar, bearish power bar, is fading out. So this might be a decent little swinger here. This is a daily chart, so make sure you grab your keys out the bowl and get ready for a swing, if you know what I mean. Look, I learned that from that 70 show, okay? But yeah, this might have a bullish next couple of weeks here for Luna Classic. That's a pretty standard bull flag breakout back test. That's pretty nice. But if Bitcoin does get that pullback tomorrow, then this might want to come back in, give the fake out to the downside, and then push. So I either want to see a little bit higher of a push and then a pullback, and then we can ride the wave to the upside, or go ahead and get that pullback soon. This is a daily chart. So, for the rest, maybe the rest of the remainder of the week, you get a pullback and then you go. It's kind of what I'd be looking for on that. I like it. You're totally crypto guay. Actually, what are you talking about? What's a normie? If you have to ask, you are one. I am deaf not, but I'm cool. The guays, they are hilarious and fun. You are hilarious and fun. Actually, most minorities are. I think it's a defense mechanism. Sure. Oh, poor lunk. Crypto.com. They delisted it. Ha. I'm silly. I don't hate. I appreciate. Everybody love everybody. Come on. I like it. Love to see the love in the chat. B&B. Look at you. Everybody thought you were super bullish. And then I was like, yeah, but you got this right here. So good luck. And then boom, come down, take out the equal lows. Beautiful. Come up, get another little push down, and then it can push. Do we have a naked point of control right here at about 893? Look for that. Pax G, gold. On the daily. Is it trying to get a breakout? Trying. Maybe it'll do a bump and run. Maybe not like that, but whee! Crash. Yeah, I was trying to not offend them if they are lurking. I don't want to be one. Them? Normies? Sorry, LBC, we be silly. I know. That's what I know, because that's what I attract. I attract the sillies. Look at that hype pushing. What is going on with the hype, gang? Hype gang. Why do people love this so much? I have not looked into it, to be honest, even though there's been a lot of hype around it. That looks pretty nice, actually. Let's go to the 4 hour, because this looks kind of interesting. Which way is shrinking you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Holy smokes. Where? Thank you. Ding, 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 ding. You know what I love? I love seeing foreigners come to the United States and love the United States. It makes me feel good. You know, they hear all these awful things about us and they come here and they're like, wow, this is actually not that bad. And it's like, yeah, I know. Aren't we just like spoiled, rotten buttheads? Yes. The answer is yes. All right, getting a little popski on the my old Bitcoin trade. Let's go. Heckin' yes. I thought I put more on this trade than that, but that's okay. There, fair value gap. Boom. Yeah, that makes me happy too. Yeah, I love it. Me loves it. Probably shouldn't get 100% out here, but that's okay. What else we got? Let's see. You guys have anything you want me to look at? Like, let me know. I'll look at it. Salama, look at you. Nice. That's looking like a nice little bull flag. Bruh, if we start just bull flagging for like longer than 1 week and on most things, we're about to make so much money. Salama up to what is this? 84.38. 84.38. We do have all these highs sitting up here, but wait, why did I have this on here? Hold on. Hold the phone. There's something over here. It looks like it was probably some kind of tiny fair value gap. It is an old level, and believe it or not, those old levels they like to get a little bit of the tap. They like to get a little bit of taparoo. We'll see if we can if we got any confluence there. Golden pocket. Well, there you go. That's the one. That's the one. So hopefully we can see a nice continuation push here. Pretty much across the market. Everything is looking pretty not pretty good, not too bad. Quant, one that people probably most people haven't even thought about in a while. Breakout backtest ish. Yeah. I mean, did get a candle body close above this and above a wick to the left of it. So that's good. Didn't just stop. It did come over here and did get a candle body close with no wick covering up the body. That's what it's a good indication that it's not going to continue higher. Nothing is 100%, of course. Just a good indication. You know, if you trade smart money concepts on like the 4, no lower than like the 1 hour on crypto, you're actually doing pretty good. 12-hour works out a lot too. A lot of people though, they can't do the the high time frame stuff, but most people should be doing the high time frame stuff. I could show you my vintage Dragon Balls. Okay. I'm saving them for my wishes. Which wishes? Switches? You're gonna beat me? Trend levels? Oh, that's neat. Short it. Let's see, sweep of the highs over here. We did create equal highs though. Come back into fair value gap. Got to close above the midpoint though. Back into pretty noticeable order block here. There's just no movement, bro. It's one thing that I hate about my time. It's just like there's never anything moving. My stream time. That's why I tend to just do high time frame breakdown analysis. Getting a dump ski. What about Bitcoin? Dang it. Come on, bro. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Link. $800 yet? No, 8. $8. 100x, guys. 100x. It's going to happen. Now, this is actually saying overbought. Overbought. But the money flow is green. True 7 needs to get back to the upside, though. Back above the zero line. There's a lot of these. I'm like, that could easily turn into bear flag real quick and in a hurry. However, this is nice. Breakout back test. Like I said, we need for the bulls need continuation this week. And we need continuation this week if we want Bitcoin to go higher. Gonna smack that. I sent you a pic in Discord. Who, me? Ah, nice. I like your vintage balls. Shut up, all set. No. Pump it, BTC. What did it tap? Look, you were so close, bro. You were so close to my TP. Hold. Hold. Feeling like Mel Gibson over here. Braveheart. Hold. Come back for VWAP. Maybe. Al goes up 2%. Bull flag push. That's nice. What am I on? 15? How many days is this? Just smack that. Now sell. Now sell. Now. Now sale. Oh. Not too far off. Maybe a little ahead of time. Had to come for the high first and then come back down for the lows. Amazing. One more dip, guys. There's always one more dip. Always one more dip. I want to see Algo get back above really 10 cents. Get back above 10 cents. And should go straight to 12, 13. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. No guarantees. But if it can get back within that range, I would expect it to visit the top of the range again. At least the midpoint, TP the midpoint, and then a little bit more. Take off a little bit more. I'd be open to both. Or snack. Oh, smack or snack. Hey, smack or snack. I'm with JR on that one. Smack that and snack that. Never mind. Tau, bit tensor, I think. 4 hour. That is a very nice 5-wave impulse. So clean. I expect another push out of this one. That's a really, really clean impulse. Then you have the secondary impulse inside the third wave. That's very nice. From here, I would expect an ABC of some kind. And then continuation. Of course, that would be like a breakout backtest type deal. Get a continuation to the upside. And that move would be a pretty decent move if we do a measured move. Oh, damn magnets. Swear to Jesus. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but sorry. Sorry, Jesus. Bit tensor, $600 even. Wow, it's quite nice. Sweeping the high. Taking these equal highs. Right. Cha. Beautiful. Yeah, so yeah, I like that. I like that for Tau. Anything backing it? That is the question. Any confluence? Let's go to the daily. Feel like there's a daily bull div, hidden bull div. We've got low, higher low. Down here we've got low, lower low. Even if though it's just barely lower, or yeah, right on top of each other, really flat. We did get a move off of that, but our RSI is above the 50, which is good. That is indicating some strength. And sorry, nope, did not mean to do that. Stop it. Okay. Then we get a breakout on this. Yes, but Came back below. Makes sense though. No bearish divergence, at least on the daily. 4 hour. Looking good. LBC after dark. Oh, there you go. LBC and chill. Sorry, it also scared me, so. What is this? What'd you do, all set? Straight down to VWAP. Sorry for the, whatchamacallit. Flashbang. Sorry, that's my trading screen. I like the white background for the trading, for my trading. I can just see better. I see better. I can see formations better. Things, this just looks much cleaner to me. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Being lame. Is my trade okay though? Still in it. In it to win it. I almost don't even want to TP here now. I almost want to take it higher. Can you take me higher? Take this CBDR range high? Potentially. Sorry. LOL, that was aggressive. Yes, I know. That was the point. So bit tensor doesn't look too shabby. Let's turn on the market oracle. See the dynamic reactor. Oh yeah, above the dynamic reactor. That's good. Money flow real thick in the green. Momentum trying to bottom out. True 7 is below the 0 line, but we are getting some buy signals in here. Some trend reversal signals. Not trend reversal, but pullback, slowing down, reversing signals. VWAP, not VWAP, volume dying off as it's moving lower. This is it's kind of what you want to see, but you also want to see volume start to pick up at lows and start seeing the smaller candles. But right here, I mean, you got a big, well, actually. That actually did look nice on that. Indecision candle, not a lot of volume. There's a chance this does push a little lower. Does it have equal lows? I mean, it's pretty close. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking we get a little bit of a collective dump tomorrow, but I feel like it's gonna reverse course. Like I said at the beginning of the stream, it's either going to do something like this, in my opinion, or maybe just even a small sweep and go, or it's going to be just a dump. a, you know, your typical BART. Except this doesn't look BARTy. Doesn't really look BARTy to me. It looks like something rounding off before it gets a continuation bounce. You have candles slowing down. Price action still holding up pretty high, above this high. You come down here, not good. Not really what you want to see. A continuation first and then come down, not bad. Because then we get our nice completed 5-wave impulse, and we're seeing more bidding. So we're looking pretty bullish still. We just fall off here, and it's just like, oh, here we go again. It's raining out, just so everyone knows. He market sold 50 BTC. Who? All set? Yeah. It was actually me. I just had you guys. I told you guys I was long, so that you would come in and go long with me. That way you could buy my shorts. Then I just dumped it on your heads. I had to have someone to sell to. I'm sorry. 4-hour BTC. Pull back to the fair value gap that was created on the breakout. So this is very standard stuff here. You just pull back to that and go. Push. Push, push, push. Would be nice. Would be nice. This kind of looks a lot like Bitcoin on the macro. Ah, you got me, you bugger. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got me. You got me. XRP. Did it eventually, yeah. Back tests, the dynamic reactor. This did not continue. Continue the cup road. Nope. Just another one that needs to get a push. I think it will. So tomorrow, for me, it's going to be looking for the breakouts and pullbacks. If we get breakout, pullback, or looking for the fake out downside, start to push to the upside, my bias is long. So we'll find out very soon how that's going to play. And it could be sell the news, maybe? I don't know what the news is. Kevin Warsh being Fed chair in his first Fed appearance, and they want to pump markets to make it look like him being the Fed chair was a great decision. I don't know. That's the conspiracy brain talking, of course. I don't really care. If this pushes higher and this doesn't come up and get above this high here on RSI and instead comes up short, well, now we're looking at a bearish divergence, to which I would look for the pullback, which I would expect after a completed 5-wave move. So many different things to look out for tomorrow, but holding the dynamic reactor on the 4-hour, that's nice. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yeah, almost every coin has some equal lows down here. I would like to resolve those at some point. We don't have to actually resolve them now. We can resolve them once we finish 5-wave impulses. We can come back and resolve those later. And then, you know, get a continuation. Now this would play out. Would take some time to play out, I think. Because it's more like this. ABC. Come back down. Take the equal lows. Back test the highs. And then push higher. The bottom could very well be in, guys. But don't be surprised if we do get a push up, but then we just continue to range. Like, don't be surprised at all. Because, I mean, to me, that's just more time to accumulate. And an opportunity to play a range. Make a lot of money trading ranges. But how do you find the range? I don't know, ask JR. Make sure you go over to his channel and ask him. So yeah, do that. XLM. I remember when we finally got another push to the upside, huh? This is looking good again. This is looking like a nice bull flag. Haven't seen one like this in a while. Man, XLM could see a nice push on the next one. That one's a tough one. Bouncing off the bull market support, man. Look at that. Cardano. It's just dead. I don't even know anymore, bro. Can't even get above the 4-hour dynamic reactor. Yeah. Ada's dead. What about Doge? Maybe not that dramatic then. Maybe it'll just come down and pop equal highs. Ooh, H bar. Do some stupid stuff like this. Get everybody and their mom wrecked. I really like H bar though. It's one altcoin that I would consider to hold. I would consider holding long term. And I don't say that like about any altcoins. None of them. But the vision that I have for I went over, I think Sunday night, that I went over for crypto, the vision that I have for crypto in the finance world. H bar heavily fits into a role in that, especially with like tokenized assets. H bar is big in that game, and they have been for longer than most of these coins. So, that is one coin. Do your own research and all that stuff. You know, I'm just some guy, some bloke on the interwebs. But I do really like H bar. I say that as someone that owns none of it. Only thing I own right now is USDT and Bitcoin. We can rotate if and when needed. So, when? Now the question is, why am I hearing Mexican music? That's hilarious. That is the question. Hart must be working hard AF. Harp had class today, I believe. I don't know that it's going to come down here, but coming down to 0.639 would not be, I wouldn't have an issue with that order block. Right now it's playing off of this one. So really anywhere in this zone would be considered a buy for me for H bar between 0.63 and 0.79. So what did I say this one was? Oh wait, that one's actually yeah, 0.63. 6 to 8 cents seems like a pretty good buy for me. Just above 8 cents at 0.81 right now. Gotta get rid of this noise. Too much noise.
Maybe sometimes I get stubborn. Maybe sometimes I get cynical. Maybe fear creates opportunity. Maybe fear can be legitimate too. Maybe bottoms form when nobody wants them. Maybe some bottoms ain't bottoms. Maybe we're both seeing
886 of this whole range.
We're both missing pieces. So what's the answer? There isn't one.
Where's, let me,
risk management. That's it. That's
crypto. Yo.
Cause the market don't care who's right. It only cares who's left.
It's trying to hold that 0.886. A little bit of unorthodox way of drawing these fibs here, though.
Another reason, another fear. Welcome to Futter's paradise. Living in a Futter's paradise.
886 down here at 054. Interesting. That's it. 5.5 to 8 cents. Anywhere in there for me is a good buy for H bar. XMR. Monera. River. Sweet. Wow. Living in a paradise. What an absolutely weird pattern here. Bye, bye, bye. It's like this, but reversed. You see it? Do you see it? Watch this. Is that what that was? Mirror? No, flipped. There we go. This is basically what I said I was looking for tomorrow. So connect the high or low with the low, high with the high. And that's essentially it. Wow. And look at that. Look at it consolidate on top of this high, coiling up below this downtrending resistance like perfectly. I'm gonna leave that up there just to see what happens. Crazy. It looks surprisingly legit. Yeah, I know, right? Of course, 2 a.m. Of course London would bring the sweep of the lows. And of course I'd be waking up. We'd be would be opening tomorrow. Breaking out. Already to go into the upside. Missing the whole move overnight. Not me. Not this guy. I was thinking this was going to be like more like we just go sideways and then yeah, during London, of course. Just build up both sides of liquidity during Asia, and then London can come in, take the lows, and then bounce to the upside. We'll see. All right, guys. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out and hitting that subscribe if you are new, and consider becoming a member of the Wave Riders. Oh, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content, when I go live. I really got to work on getting more lives or more videos out for you guys. I just got to figure out, I've got to figure out a schedule that works with my daily schedule. If that makes sense. Like, is there a time every day where I'm available or I'm free? Most of the time that's during my lunch, so maybe I should just do a video during my lunches. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. I've got to get more stuff out, especially for members. I gotta do that, man. And yeah, it's just busy life, man, but I gotta get it done for you guys. I take requests, so if there's anything you want me to look at in an indicator, any coin, whatever it is, hop in the Discord. It's free. Ask me. I will do that for you, and I will get it uploaded to share with more people. And yeah, so whatever it is, questions about trading, questions about smart money concepts, pattern trading, orb trading, VWAP trading, RSI, chart prime, MACD, everything. If I don't have an answer, I can look it up and be able to probably explain it. So yeah, join the beach house. Appreciate that, J Ara. I feel bad. I should be pumping out more static bids too. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Thanks, David. Have a beautiful, blessed evening and day tomorrow. You as well, my friend. I will see you bright and early, as always, on my way to work. And yeah, I appreciate you. Make my mornings actually. I always start off in a good mood because of your show. So shout out to JR. Check him out. He is on bright and early. It's 6 a.m. for me, so 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So check him out. And everybody else in my description. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. And yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. I do hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep and Wednesday. I will see you all tomorrow. God bless. Mad love. Ride the waves. See you tomorrow. Bye.
And I'm sick of hearing doomers tell me Bitcoin's finished. Every dip another crisis, every wick another gimmick. Every post another thread about the system and the limits. Like we didn't hear the same thing every cycle, every minute. You was calling for a crash at 30, 40, 50, 60. Then we doubled, then we tripled. Now you acting like you missed me. Talking macro, talking debt, talking metrics, getting risky. Funny how the fear gets louder every time the chart gets iffy. You don't trade, you just wait. You don't buy, you just hate. You don't see a set of building, you just celebrate the pain. Everybody's an economist when candles start to fall. Everybody got a model till the market breaks it all. Everybody saying it's time different every single cycle call. Then they FOMO back at highs and act like they were there through all. And I'm tired of hearing institutions ain't accumulating. Why the biggest wall is growing and the builder's still creating? Why the weekends keep on folding and the patient keep on waiting? You call it blind conviction, I call it observation. Observation. Nah, I think you call it confirmation. Yeah, every bounce another celebration. Every red day an invitation. You sound exactly like the people that got wrecked before. Every cycle got a moonboy screaming by a little more. You keep talking about adoption, you keep talking about the floor. You keep talking about institutions like they never hit the door. You don't see risk, You see discounts, you don't see cracks. You see fake outs, you don't see caution. You see paper hands, you don't see reasons. You just make plans, and every time somebody questions you, it's FUD again. Every warning gets ignored until the market punches in. Then the same people that was bragging start adjusting what they meant, talking about they always knew correction was a likely event. Come on, I ain't bearish cause I'm scared, I ain't bearish cause I'm weak. I'm bearish cause I watched this thing destroy people for weeks. Watch them mortgage every dollar, watch them leverage every peak. Watch them turn conviction into something closer to a creed. Okay. Maybe sometimes I get stubborn. Maybe sometimes I get cynical. Maybe fear creates opportunity. Maybe fear can be legitimate too. Maybe bottoms form when nobody wants them. Maybe some bottoms ain't bottoms. Maybe we're both seeing pieces. Maybe we're both missing pieces. So what's the answer? There isn't one. Then what's the edge? Risk management. That's it. That's it. Cause the market don't care who's right. It only cares who's left. Blue screens glow like moonlit seas. Candles rise and drown beneath. Every wave's a loaded gun. Pull too fast and the damage done. I've chased tops, I've bled on lows. Paid tuition just to know you don't fight the undertow. You ride the wave or you let it go. Fear comes loud when the spread gets wide. Don't pray for winds, I manage the ride. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase punks when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Liquidity sweeps like coastal storms. Fake breakouts in trader form. Wicks reach down, take stops for sport, then reverse like nothing before. I stay calm when the water's rough. Risk kept tight, that's close enough. No revenge trades, no hero plays, just patience stacking day by day. If I miss the move, I don't dive in late. There's always another tide to wait. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase punks when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Fled is a position still water too. Sometimes the best trade's nothing to do. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the wave decide the line. We're wave riders, scars in the wake. Still choosing discipline over the shake. If they sweep low just to turn it around, I'll catch the move, not chase it down. Capital safe, mind lock sound. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Dreams go dark, I shut it down. Another day, still afloat now.